so I just finished an audition, and so I've decided to go to the ocean to go for a run. So where I like to park, there really aren't any changing areas, so I have to change in my car. I wear my sports bra to the audition, and it's more comfortable anyway because of all the itchy radiation reaction that I'm or whatever. My skin just it itches a lot. I'm not quite sure why. So yeah, I don't wear I try not to wear regular bras. I wear more cotton little bras and things. And so anyway, I wore this. I'm changing right now in the car. But yeah, I had the sports bra on, so that was an easy change. Bottom half, not so easy. So I set my running watch, locating satellite. I was not arrested for indecent exposure, changing in my car, so that's good. And yeah, I had an audition in Santa Monica, so I was it's right by the water, and it was early enough that if I got done early enough at the audition, I was like, okay, I can go run. Otherwise I'm gonna sit in traffic for hours. So yeah, I decided to go. I'm at the beach today. Isn't it beautiful here? It's very quiet today because of the rain. Hi! There's a path that runs along the beach, so I'm running that. And I'm running basically up to Malibu. It's really beautiful here. It's so peaceful and quiet today. It's gorgeous. Yeah. The ocean. So pretty. It's one of my favorite places in the world. People have asked me oh, why do you keep running and how do you keep running? Why is it's a part of me. But why? Because the Herceptin I'm getting can cause heart attacks and kill me. So I have to keep my heart strong. The Taxol damages the heart, so I have to keep running to keep it strong. The radiation affects the lungs. I don't think it has in my case, partly because I keep running, I keep exercising. It's so important. The tamoxifen I'm on. Still learning the side effects of that. But I know that running and getting oxygen to the brain, into the body, into the muscles, into the lungs, the heart, which is the biggest muscle, is important so that I can continue treatment. I can be done with treatment one day, and I can live a healthy life like I always have. So I guess in a nutshell, that's why I keep running. It's why I do yoga, why I do bar method, why I walk, hike, meditate. I mean, all those things, all those reasons. And how can you not run when you have a gorgeous beach to run along? I'm running down the sand not into the water, but alongside the water. So I can run right along the edge. Woo! Yeah. The tide is, I think, it's low enough that I can get around this structure. Woo! Running in the sand is really good for your calves. It's a great calf workout. Woo! Yeah. Listen to the water from the river comes out and empties into the ocean. And the tide's so low that I can run by it. How cool is that? Look at all these little rivers. Normally you can't do that. The tide is low and I'm running on. So I'm done running. I did 3 miles and I have to stop my watch. Hold on, there we go. I am up here on top of the jetty with some seagulls. And it's a beautiful day today. It's a gorgeous run. It's nice and cool and it's probably about 65 degrees. And the air is, it's the perfect running weather. I had drizzled a little bit, so it's kind of nice. It kind of like washed away 2016 and washed away all the stuff that I've been going through, and to new beginnings. Like there's always, is it a calm in the eye of the storm, but there's a calm after the storm. Storm is always like symbolic, right? In movies and in literature as a cleansing. So it's been raining. I had a little bit of a storm here. It rained all night and I ran in the rain and drizzle and it was like a cleansing. Deep Thoughts by Heather Keller. So now I'm climbing on the rocks. Hopefully I won't fall, but this is my view right now. How beautiful is that? Drizzling. More cleansing. Better head down. It's getting the tide's coming in. Splashes are hitting me now. It's quiet. It's very almost like when a snowfall happens on the East Coast. It's that kind of quiet today here.